2020 has been a whirlwind for us all. In the beginning of the year, we've already experienced our fair share of the madness. And then, tragedy struck the world.
COVID-19 shook the world in both its scale and speed. Countries started closing their borders, and the world went into lockdown. The global travel industry was the first to take a plunge. MICE events around the world cancelled. Businesses severely impacted. For many of us, time came to a standstill as we lost control over the routines and lifestyles. Office towers were emptied out in a matter of days, and the shift in professional life came mercilessly. Those with school-going children had to adapt to their new work arrangements while balancing caregiving duties and playing teachers to their children. Meanwhile, our education system scrambled to cope. Alongside these disruptive challenges, the constant fear for our own health and survival loomed over us. Relying heavily on the global food supply chain, interruption to imports sparked nationwide panic and fear, and Singapore's food security was called into question. With people in their homes and suspension of supplies, eateries were forced to keep up or go belly up. And many of these transformations, good or bad, have been highly dependent on this recalcitrant virus. Life as we know it will never be the same. And maybe it shouldn't. The pandemic has simply uncovered suppressed issues and made it apparent that we need to embrace certain transitions. It is only in the past months that we've seen an uptick in decentralization and the shared economy. There has also been an increase in adoption of virtual technologies, AI, and automation. But this is only the beginning. Experts agree that we can expect bigger, more drastic changes and that they will be for the better. So we wondered, how might we envision opportunities for life after COVID? In this platform, we don't look to simply solve existing problems nor develop temporary solutions. Instead, we see this as an opportunity to hit the reset button.
Over the last 11 weeks, our platform looked at reimagining and designing new services, systems, and lifestyles for the future. At the start of the project, students first mapped their understanding of each chosen theme's ecosystem by forecasting future trends based on what is happening now. Thereafter, the teaching team developed the System Design Ladder, a tool intended to guide students to zoom out their solutions at a system level. Finally, in walking the talk, the ideas have been validated through service experience prototyping in a remote, virtual, or blended way. In their final deliverables, every team created narratives to illustrate plausible future scenarios meant to challenge assumptions and trigger thinking about long-term strategies. Let's now
Design for reset.